In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use virtual card on Revolut. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Generating and using a virtual card is a very simple process. You will be able to generate multiple virtual cards eligible to be used on any website, store, or service that accepts credit or debit cards. You will also have the ability to link that virtual card to a digital wallet, such as the Google Wallet, Google Pay, Apple Wallet, and to be used with Apple Pay. Inside of the Revolut app, all that you have to do is switch over to the Cards tab. When you go over to Cards, you will be able to tap the plus sign to get a new card. So tap Get Card, and immediately you will see the option to generate a physical or virtual card. Through this window, you will be able to generate multiple virtual cards like I said. So choose the option to acquire a virtual card. You will be able to customize the card, assign a color to the card, and give it a name, so you can always identify the specific virtual card later. Once the card is created, it is going to appear under the list of cards that you have on Revolut. You can tap on it, and you will see all sorts of options to freeze the card, to see the card details, and most importantly, to link the card to a digital wallet. So this is all you have to do. Now you can either link it to a digital wallet and use that to pay for your future purchases using this card, or reveal the card details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code, and use those details at any website that accepts debit or credit cards as a payment method to finish making your future purchases. I hope I was able to help you on how to use virtual card on Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.